Welcome to video number 224 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. This is going to be a mini video which is both for beginners and advanced learners. So these mini phrases that you're going to learn now, you have to just say them a couple of times to memorize them. So don't use the English logic. These words have to instantly come out of your mouth just the way the native speakers do. Just imagine the girl is standing just before the door, blocking the way, and you want to tell her to move. We'll see both the informal term and also the formal term. If she is your equal or just a friend and much younger to you, you could say, "Konja nagaru." கொஞ்சம் நகரு or கொஞ்சம் நகர்ந்துக்கோ. கொஞ்சம் நகரு, கொஞ்சம் நகர்ந்துக்கோ. Meaning just move yourself. If you wish to tell that formally, you can say நகருங்க or நகர்ந்துக்கோங்க. நகரு, nagarnduko, and nagarunga, nagarndukonga. Nagara means to move, which is the root verb here. Talla means to push, but here it means to move or to push oneself away. Tallu, talliko means move yourself. Or tallunga, tallikonga. Just try saying this, and please watch these videos a couple of times because there's no logic. You just have to say that aloud and send it to your memory. Tallunga, tallikonga. Satta is another colloquial term. Satta. It is similar to konjo, just or please, a word to make the phrase a bit soft and polite. Satta ettanilla means move and stand a little away. Satta etta nillunga. Etta means a little away, yetta, with space in between. You hear yetta yetta nillunga means stand with spaces between. Now there's a very common term, a bit rural, suburb. You hear this among the 40 plus people more. Laborers use them more. So, uttu and uttiko. Uttu, uttiko. Uttunga, uttikonga. All meaning please take yourself to a side or move. Uttu, uttiko. Now, a mini exercise for you. Try to translate these two phrases. They're simple. And we'll meet with another interesting lesson soon. All the best with your Tamil learning. Don't forget to follow the Instagram. Have a nice day. Bye. Vanakkam.